Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make any 3D models, any props to become the helmets of any 3D avatar in iClone. So now you can see this is Camilla. This is one of a avatar, the CC avatar in iClone and Character Creator 4. And now I'm going to show you any props, make it become a hat or helmet. So first I'm going to select anything from the prop as demo. The prop is set here. So as demo, I'm going to just choose some 3D blocks. Just choose it from here. Alright, let's say if I choose this. Alright, I delete it. Just make it at the center. Then I press R to just make it small. And I press W to just lift it up. But before that, I want to attach on its head. So double click it at this part, just scroll down until you can see attached to, then choose pick parents, click the head of the avatar. Once done already, you should be able to see the CC base head or any of the head bones. Then just double click this, make it as a helmet, just make it like this, or any hats or helmets. So now we are going to test the animations to see whether is it really attached to the head. So now I'm going to choose the animations. Head here for any animations, motion. Just under the perform. So I will choose it from here. For example, dance gracefully. Now, just try to play. You can see now the 3D models or props already attached as a 3D avatar's hat or helmet. And it is really easy to make it. Now it already become hats. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make any 3D models or props to become the helmets or hats of any 3D avatar in iClone 8. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials or sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!